Good day, pupils. I am Teacher Zairil, your teacher for today. So today, our new lesson is all about Binis Lakan folk dance. What and where did Binis Lakan folk dance originate? So, the Binis Lakan is a Filipino social dance that influenced by both China and Lingayen. So, what is Binis Lakan folk dance origin? So, the Binis Lakan is a Filipino traditional folk dance influenced the use of a stick called a bislak. Limahong, a Chinese pirate who established a kingdom in Lingayen, so was honored with this dance. So to depict chopstick, the stick are used. The Binislakan dance was performed to commemorate the arrival of Limahong, a Chinese spirit. So who is Limahong? So Limahong is a Chinese pirate who built a kingdom in Lingayen. So in Pangasinan, Lingayen means to glance backward and upward, which is why some of the Binslakan dancers moves are backward or upward. The Binslakan traditional dance is performed with two sticks called bislak, which are supposed to imitate the chopstick used by the Chinese to eat. So now let's move to the materials and costume in dancing Binislakan. So Binislakan, which means stick in Pangasinan, is the name of the dance Binislakan. So men wear kamisa de chino, red pants, and red scarf. This is for costume of men. While the costume of women, a white sligo and a kimono are worn by women with a soft panuelo across their shoulder. So now let's proceed to basic step of Binislakan. Figure 2. Take 4 gallop steps going to the right while arms in reverse T position. Then point your left foot forward, bend trunk sideward, strike stick in front 3, counts 1 and 2, repeat into the opposite side right. Repeat 4 gallop steps going to the left while arms in reverse T position, then point right foot forward, bend trunk sideward, strike stick in front 3 times, count 1 and 2, repeat it to the opposite left. Figure 3. Take 2 half steps going forward, cross stick right over left below knee while trunk is bent forward, then straighten trunk and raise gradually the cross sticks overhead. Execute 4 counts, mincing step turning right about, facing away from audience, arm in reverse T position, then raise right knee and strike stick once under it, counts 1, put the leg down, strike stick in front, count and raise left knee and strike stick once under it, count 2, put the leg down, strike stick in front, count and. Figure 5. Partners face each other. Take 4 chain steps with a raise to the right and left alternately while striking the stick. RLR and LRL counts 1 and 2. R means right and L means left. Then strike stick in front on the floor, trunk bend forward, counts 1 and 2, strike stick in front of the chest, count 3 and 4, strike partner stick, bend trunk sideward, right and left while raising right and left, foot alternate, counts 5, 6, 3 step backward while striking stick in front, counts 7 and 8. Repeat figure 5 twice. Figure 6. Take 32 chain step with a raise going to the right and left alternately while striking the stick in front, right, and left, right, left, counts 1 and 2. Execute again 12 counts mincing step while arms in reverse T position, strike stick in front twice, counts 4, 3, then girls remain standing facing her partner and boys will kneel down with his left knee facing his partner. And now, let's combine all together.
Play.
for this topic, which is Binislakan. I hope you learned from this video. Thank you.